Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll see what the shuffle method is and when it can be useful for you. Let me quickly explain how it works internally. It uses the Fisher-Yates shuffle algorithm, which iterates through the collection from the last element to the first, swapping each element with a randomly chosen element at or before it. This guarantees a uniformly random permutation. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. If you don't see the Create.NET project button on the left-hand side, check out the video linked in the description on how to set up the .NET environment on Mac. Click Create.NET project, then select Console Application. Follow my steps for the configurations. First, let me show you how the shuffle method works with an integer array. When you use the shuffle method on this array, it will give you the same array with a scrambled order. What this method guarantees is that every possible permutation has an equal probability of being chosen. Run the project. Here you can see the output in the console. Let me also demonstrate how you can use it with a generic list. The shuffle method expects the row array hiding in the background of the list. Therefore, we can use CollectionMarshal.AsSpan method to provide it. The advantage of using is that it operates at blazing speeds, since it makes absolutely no new copies in RAM. Let me show you the output of the operation. Run the project. Here you can see the output in the console. As an alternative, you can create an array from your generic list and then apply the shuffle method. But the previous approach is better, especially for large datasets. The output will still give you a shuffled array. Run the project. Here you can see the output in the console. Let me give you a more solid example of this method's usage. Suppose you want to play bingo. You have 90 numbers in your bag and you need to pick a number from the bag randomly. Manually, you might discard the number you have picked from the list and then select another random number from the remaining ones. Instead, you can simply shuffle the list you have and then get the numbers from the shuffled list in order. This will give you a randomly chosen number from the list every time. In the console, I want to demonstrate it with a table design. Therefore, I'll add some lines to separate the numbers. Console write line new string will give us 43 dashes. The second line will give us a header for the table in the console. Again, I'll add another 43 dashes below the header. We need a for loop to iterate through the numbers in our list. Inside the for loop, I'll use another console write line to neatly place the numbers below the headers we previously created. The first part will give you the draw number. The second part will show which number has been chosen. And the third part will show how many numbers are remaining to be picked. I'll slow down the speed in the console so we can see it step by step. Again, I'll add another 43 dashes below the header. Run the project. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.